Hello, everybody. This is Henry Crafts&Arcade. I'm gonna make you have a good video and stay tuned till the end of the video. We have some bonus video coming right up. So we are gonna make some ring pops flavor ring pops and
Good enough.
And we're going to get it started right now. So we already have 1 quart in this one. Now we're going to put this.
No, you want to put the Kool-Aid in first.
We're going to put the Kool-Aid in first, and then when you guys can do this at home, you have. Instead of using agave, that's the only thing we have. But you guys, if y'all have sugar, pure sugar, you can use that too. But I would suggest you use whatever y'all have in your house. So we're going to pour this. Pour this in the water we have already in here. We're going to stir this up for a little bit. And then we are going to leave it like that. First, we got to get the sugar and stuff like that.
You put it over here because it's. There we go. Yeah.
And we're going to do a 1/2 cup of sugar. And then we can put in the rest.
Oh, wait. Put the water into the other thing. Yeah. Sorry.
And then we stir it up. And then as soon as we get that done, we will fill up these ring pops circles, and then as soon as we get that done, we go to going to put in the freezer. It'll probably take all night to freeze them, and then the next morning we will see if they are solid. Now, the only reason why I'm doing this to make sure that I have enough for this whole tray, and make sure that I have enough because I don't want any spills, any mess like that. Now we fill it up all the way to the top. That's just one of 8. It doesn't matter what color you use, it really doesn't. Just as long as you're filling it up to the top. If it's overflow, that's okay. I don't really bother about it. So keep on doing this until all of them are in the popsicle forms. And as soon as you get all of them in the popsicle forms, I'm kind of messing up, but that's okay. I mean, it doesn't matter how full you want it, just as long as, not make a big mess. And also, And also, you want your mom or dad to help you out, or your mom or dad can help you out, or anybody like a friend or a family friend, whoever can help out, then it'd be good too. And you can do this with your friends and stuff like that too. Let's keep on going because it's. Okay. And then now, since we got everything full and stuff, we're putting it in the freezer. Now, since we got it in the freezer, we can just wait till tomorrow to get that freezing and frozen and stuff like that. As soon as we get that done, we can take it out, and we can taste it, and then we see if it's good.